Dear viewers, you're welcome. Now today I'm reporting you this special edition. I am in Diani, specifically Nyumba Sita in Msambweni, and as you can see, I'm surrounded by the mangroves, and you know how important the mangrove ecosystem is. So as you can see right about here, these are young mangrove seedlings that have just been replanted because the community here has decided to restore the ecosystem, and they have been planting these mangroves because mangroves, you know, they're important in controlling the carbon oxygen, the carbon dioxide in the air, and so many other effects that it has on the environment. However, today I'm bringing you an episode where they have been facing a challenge because as you can see, replanting mangroves, the seedlings, it's not an easy job because they have to wait for the tide to go down. But now here the tide has gone down and the community has come. It has done the planting of seedlings, but they are faced by a challenge, and their challenge is the fishermen. The fishermen are coming to get their trap, their baits for fish here. And so as they have kept on fishing, they have come and they've started even uprooting the new or the very young mangroves that have just been planted. So I'm just going to show you a picture of some of the mangroves that have been uprooted here. These are seedlings that have just been uprooted, and as you can see, they have been uprooted here. And so the farmers and the community are feeling very, very, very sad because it has taken a lot of effort. And therefore, I hear they've said they have communicated even to the Kenya Forest Services. They have communicated to every person concerned, and they say that the help has been slow in coming. So we appeal that because the community has been enlightened through ASEF and other organizations that are working here. ASEF, that is Africa Climate and Environment Conservation, African Climate and Environment Foundation. They are doing a great job by empowering the communities to get into marine cleaning, that's plastic waste control, by connecting them to the recyclers and just enabling them so that they can make a living out of what they are doing. So for them to be encouraged that their work needs to be protected, and the government and all stakeholders are being called upon to come and take responsibility, because this is a good job. Many seedlings have been planted, but many have been killed by uprooting for the fishermen to get their baits. And what they do not know is that these mangroves help to attract the fish that they are.
Tatizo ambalo mnaona mmeshika hii mikoko ambayo imeng'olewa, hii ni janga. Hili ni janga kwa sababu nikisema ni janga ni kwamba community imejitolea kwamba iweke mazingira masafi kwa kupanda hii mikoko. Lakini sasa kuna watu ambao wanakuja kutafuta chambo. Wanang'oa hii mikoko, wanatafuta chambo, wanaenda kuvulia samaki. Sasa tumepiga kelele mara nyingi sana. Hata watu wa forest tumewaambia, lakini bado hii matatizo yanaendelea. Na ni uchungu ambao mpaka sasa sisi tunavunjika nguvu. Mikoko inaisha, wakati tunairekebisha, tunaipanda, bado inang'olewa. Kwa hivyo hili ni donda sugu ambalo linauma. Sisi hatulipwi, tunajitolea kuweka mazingira safi, kuweka mazingira mazuri. Lakini sasa matatizo ni haya. Watu wa forest hata tumeongea, hawajashughulika. Kwa hivyo tunasema serikali, washikadau wengine watusaidie ili tutoe hili janga hili.